But what if this was happening? I want to now ask you a question. First, imagine this. You have a bottle or a jar that contains fuel. Would you use the same bottle?
Others might view as revolting. She sees as a bonanza. After more than 10 years, her slop eventually winds up in a processing plant like this one. Cooking oil has long been a cherished commodity.
Hi everyone, we're students from College Tingkatan Enam, Prauniversiti Desa. Today, we're going to introduce you our pen-to-pen project. Are you curious what's that? Let's start this amazing journey! Hi guys, my name is Shanna and today I'm gonna tell you a super smart and interesting idea. It's called making ink from gutter oil. Do you know what's a gutter oil? It's the oil we use to cook yummy food such as chicken nuggets or fraps. After cooking, all this oil will get brown and icky, and this is the gutter oil. Hi, I'm Yunshan. Most of the time, it gets dumped into drains, into landfills, but it doesn't get disappeared by itself. It clogs our pipe, pollutes our water, and harms our environment. But guess what? We found a magical way to give this stinky oil a new job. We turn it into ink. That's right. It's the same ink we use to draw and write. Most importantly, it's sustainable, non-toxic, and it's environmental friendly. It's like oil gets a makeover from stinky to pretty black ink. You clean it and mix it with safe stuff and ta-da! This is not just recycling, it's reimagining waste into something useful. Do you want to know how we made it? Let's go behind the scenes of our pen-to-pen project.
So, what is the advantage of using gutter oil-based ink? Firstly, it can reduce ink industrial pollution. Mostly, traditional ink production often use petroleum-based solvent, which need a 500 to 1,000 years to decompose, but gutter oil only needs to decompose within months. Secondly, it is made by low-cost raw material. Since petroleum is non-renewable resources, it is very costly and always fluctuating. However, you can get gutter oil with a very low price or even get it free. Lastly, by using gutter oil-based ink, we can reduce waste oil from our food chain, which reduces the risk of cancer, food poisoning, and liver disease.
Hi, my name is Tan Ting. Now I'm going to explain to you the process of making ink from using waste oil.
Firstly, pour 100 ml of gutter oil into a beaker. Next, mix the oil with ethanol in a 2:1 ratio. This helps make the ink dry faster when we use. Third, add lecithin powder into the mixture. Stir until the oil and ethanol mix together. Next, add carbon black into the mixture. Stir until the pigment evenly mixed and reach desired color darkness. Fifth, add a bit of cornstarch as thickener. Stir until it reaches the consistency of regular ink.
Lastly, pour the ink into a small glass bottle or ink container, label it and keep it sealed.
Stop! Hi, I'm Yawen. So how does this project actually support Sustainable Development Goals? First, SDG 3, which is good health and well-being, SDG 6, clean water and sanitation, SDG 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure, SDG 11, sustainable cities and communities, SDG 12, responsible consumption and production, and lastly, SDG 13, which is climate action.
First, SDG 3. This project reduces the risk of gutter oil being illegally reused in food, which is a serious public health hazard. Next, SDG 6. This project prevents oil from entering drains and contaminating water systems, improving the water quality. SDG 9. This project promotes innovation in sustainable product development by transforming waste into useful and safe ink. Here comes SDG 11. This project helps urban waste management by providing a responsible way to deal with harmful cooking oil waste. And we have SDG 12. This project encourages circular economy practices by reusing waste instead of discarding it. Besides that, SDG 13, this project reduces environmental pollution and carbon footprint by preventing illegal burning or dumping of used oil.
So, it's the end of our project of turning gutter oil into ink.
Yeah, when your gutter oil could be something so useful.
This shows that with creativity, even waste can be turned into something useful.